What's the most disgusting prank anyone has ever pulled on you? At a family gathering, my brother made an insensitive joke towards my girlfriend about her narcolepsy, and she called him out on it. He felt offended, and as revenge pranked her by replacing her narcolepsy medication with fake placebos. The very next day, my girlfriend got in her car, and due to the fake medication, fell asleep behind the wheel while driving down a pretty steep slope. Her car started accelerating and rolling uncontrollably. Thankfully, nobody was in front of her, but she crashed into a guardrail at an estimated speed of 40 mph. She was rushed to the hospital, and that's when I got a call informing me what happened. I stayed at her bedside daily, praying she'd be okay and wondering how this happened. The police said she was facing jail time for reckless driving, and I soon got the call from my brother. He said he felt guilty for what happened and would like to say sorry. I had no idea what he meant, so I questioned him, and he stammered. He eventually admitted to swapping the medication out, and I absolutely went off on him. My girlfriend was fighting for her life and facing prison, all because he felt offended after being rightfully called out. The full story, where the man tries proving his girlfriend's innocence and deals with family backlash, is on my channel and linked below.